Oh, AC.
Alright, you can turn it off.
Alright.
Move up a little bit. Alright guys, gonna be driving the IS. You don't gotta turn it off, you can put it on low. Yeah, these are my driver mod shoes, low key.
What are those, lacrosse?
Yeah, my Lacoste days, man. Yeah, this bit drive too smooth, guys. If you guys ever get a chance to find the IS a stick and you're looking for a 4-door, I suggest buying it. We got this one for around 4 to 5K. Not gonna say no prices, but it's a good pricing range for where they're at.
So that's slowing you down?
What?
The rev match?
Yeah, without using your brakes, it's like slowing down the motor by itself.
Oh, so it's like stopping by the motor pretty much? Motor slow?
Yeah. Forgot about these.
You did. You forgot about them.
This is an undetectable. Don't forget, nigga. You got driver mod Nick in here. If we gotta get down on these niggas, I'm gonna show you what this IS can do.
It's so funny. You forgot about that.
Damn, I should have looked. I forgot to show the camera too, guys.
You forgot about it. So like the gear ratio for 5-speed is pretty good. I like it. Like this is like highway speeds, maybe like city road speeds. 3K. I don't know. I like Hondas are like 2K at this rate. Like I don't know. Hondas have longer gear ratio.
Word, I feel you. Nah, she drives smooth.
Yeah,
AC's cranking, guys. The shifter is nice and smooth. I wish the Z shifter was up like this, honestly.
Send it.
Oh, not yet.
Down the strip, huh?
Don't let her ease in. I'm gonna let everybody see the feeling. This is not flooring. This is just cruising up to the limit. Oh yeah, she do. When she's in high RPM, she has a little grinding for it.
If I had an exhaust then it would sound really nice.
Hell yeah.
Then the rev match would sound really nice. You wanna launch it? Oh.
Hell nah. I'm not about to launch your car.
Woo! Hit that.
She feels way different. I'm kill driving, nigga.
I'm gonna come down this just one more time.
To do.
Like the clutch.
You gotta like master
So you gotta master it before you like bang gears.
I wanna start barking.
Yeah, I like that third gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. It's like my Z. That's what my Z does, low key. Used to do.
As long as it doesn't pop out, it should be.
Nah, you good. You good. It's like probably 4th gear synchro.
High
RPM.
High RPM.
She her green car, you said?
Her Grand Cherokee. Nah.
What'd he say?
I fucking know her fucking dream car.
So you said that was your mom's dream car.
What's up? Let me buy this shit. 2K.
Fuck no.
2K and I blow it up right now.
That would be pretty fun to watch.
Alright guys, this is the last run. If you guys want to buy IS, this is why you should. How quick that was for 80. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that nice little drive. For the price you bought this bad girl here, I think it was well worth it, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I got a feeling that